Hey Madness fam, today I'm making my chicken in my slow cooker with some honey. So I put half a stick of butter, garlic, honey, ketchup, and then I'm gonna clean my chicken and add that in as well. I'll show you when I'm done. So here's my chicken. Isn't it beautiful? So I put some more honey on top after I clean the chicken. I put some honey on the chicken. I put garlic powder on the chicken and adobo and some pepper. Remember to season your meats. Just because you season your crock pot doesn't mean you've seasoned the meat. Remember that. And there's my half a butter right there. And now I'm going to close it and let it do its thing. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, we're gonna check on the chicken. It smells so good already. Oh, I'm so hungry. Okay, look at all of that. I'm gonna make a pot of white rice. Let me move this chicken around. Okay, here's the chicken flipped over. It looks so good. We are on the 3-hour mark. I'm going to leave it in for, I'm gonna check it at 5 o'clock. And it is 3 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna leave it for another 2 hours. Keep you guys posted. I'm going to make a pot of white rice, and we're gonna use the gravy that's on the bottom for the white rice. I tasted the sauce, guys. Oh, and it's so good with the honey and the ketchup. It's perfect with the garlic. It's like a perfect balance. I used 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and then I powdered garlic on the chicken with some adobo and some black pepper, and then I do it on top of the other seasonings with a half of butter. A half a stick of butter. Sorry guys. Okay, so what I do for the perfect white rice is I add oil to the pot. Then I add how much white rice that I want to make, and then I stir it around until the rice turns golden brown. I then add in my water, let it boil. When it starts to boil, I reduce heat, turn it. I will show you that part, and then I'll add in some seasoning. I will show you what I add in as well. And then I'll show you when everything is done and give you guys a taste test. Okay, so now that it's at a nice boil, I'm going to put it on low heat, and then I'll be adding this in it, and it's the Blanco white. If you want to buy it, I'll add it, stir it, and close the pot. Perfect rice, and it doesn't taste bland. I put some butter, so it has a hint of butter. So good, guys. You gotta try it out. I'm gonna let my chicken cook for another 30 minutes and then check in. Hi everybody. Close I mean. Look, my bun's sideways. Is that that was yours? Come on, I'm gonna taste test for my video. I did a vlog about cooking it and everything. I'm gonna test the rice. I put some sauce in the rice.
What am I tasting?
You can taste whatever you want. Put sauce in the rice. So mix it up. I don't know. It's okay.
Tastes fine to me.
Yeah, it's white rice. It's okay. So, let's see. Chicken.
She gotta wait.
It's good.
That's so soft.
Yeah,
and hot.
soft. Yeah, and hot. Yeah. Okay.